Do you know what is the ultimate power? Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Do you know what is the ultimate power? Fear of nothing. Yes, fear of nothing. Freedom and inner strength. Fearlessness does not mean that there is no danger, but rather that fear cannot control you or your decisions, your actions. It cannot rule you. Fearlessness comes from acceptance and self-knowledge. When you fully know and accept yourself, your strength and weaknesses, your value and limitations, you are not afraid of others' judgments and of failure. You know that no matter what happens, you are you. That essence within you, that core within you is there. It's always said that the most dangerous creature in the world is the one who is not afraid of anything. When you find your why in your life, you can deal with any situation. When you have a reason, deeper, bigger than your fears, that reason gives you the strength to confront fear. I must say that being fearless means that that fear is formed, but that at the bottom, the bottom of fear is nothingness and non-existence. Exactly, nothingness. You don't let this nothingness stop you. You are brave, intelligent, wise, responsible. And dear, this is a permanent path, not a destination. When you do not let fear become the killer of your mind, because fear is like a small death that brings complete destruction. Because you understand that it is nothing go through fear, then you will see inside it. And you will see your path clearly. And you realize, oh my God, fear is not and will not remain, but I remain. I remain and continue on. Yes, I remain and continue on my path. So do not let nothingness stop you. This is the ultimate power. Yeah. Love you so much. Take care of yourself. And always remember there is only one you. Okay? If you like my video, write a comment for me. Share, like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for supporting me by listening and watching my videos. Thank you. Ashe. Amira. Rani. Bye.